Okay guys, we're going to walk up the side of the Crown now. Go and find Matteo's bar for you, in case you haven't found it yet. Maybe you've never been to Benidorm, so you've not even looked for it. Crown, a good bar. Got entertainment on in there, they've got football on in there. You know, the type of thing. And good beer as well. That's the one you didn't know. So yeah, the first bar. It's a good bar. What's this bar called again, Marcus?
Foodland.
Foodland. Looks like they've gone on holiday. So it's for holidays till
17th of Feb.
17th of Feb. That's a really good place, that is, for breakfast. Taos. Here we go. Struggling on hard times, I thought, when they opened this bar. I thought this would be down the front. But hey, yeah, they seem to get plenty of people in. Another one that's cash only. Wonder why that is, guys. I think it is down to the price they're charging now to actually do your credit card things. Why they do not charge that on top of your bill, I do not know. There you go. Barrels there, that's changed name, I'm sure of it. Used to do entertainment in there. I'm sure it used to be called something else today.
No, it's always been called the Barrels since it left on the barrels.
So yeah, they're not open today, they were open the other day we went down here. Wasn't yesterday. They might have given a couple of weeks off now till Christmas starts. Not the bars look like they're shut up down here at the moment. Maybe some are open just at night. And more restaurant type things. Here's one place that hasn't shut down. Talk of the town.
They have.
They're advertising shows up there nightly.
Yeah, but tough.
Oh, they are closed. Closed for holidays. Sorry about that, guys. I probably wouldn't have done this video up here if I'd have known that. Ah, right. I wonder if they're going to be open before Christmas then. I think Benidorm's closes down. I think that's why they haven't turned the lights on or anything this year. You got the Clay Oven restaurant over there. I don't think they've shut down yet, have they?
No.
The window open there. You've got to be a detective at this game. The bars look like they've maybe having a week off there. Maybe they're open at night, I don't know. That one's far one there. Where are we there? Definitely gone.
That's what you think of the dog.
You say you're going to go driving right to the business.
Still open. The curry house now, is that open or shut, do you reckon? It's obviously shut at the moment, but
Probably, yeah.
I don't know if it's not shut up for this. Yeah, maybe a night opener. So we'll have a little walk down Uncle Ped's. Supermarket open late. They're not open all night, but they're open late. Plenty of booze in there, guys. Right next door is another one. There you go, see which one's the cheapest, guys. The Black Pearl. This is usually open, guys. Don't really know what's going on. Good food in there as well. We need to zoom that up a bit. Do look a bit expensive on the food. That sun's gone off this patch now. It's going to be a bit quiet down here, I think.
About 4 o'clock now, so...
Yeah, about 4 o'clock. I'm going to have to get a move on. We're out late out today. So, all of this is beds now. All this bit. Good insurance place. There you go. The two not looking too happy in there. That's some of the sun going down. Get yourself inside. Way to do it. Riviera over there. I've still got a bit of sun over there, you can tell. Loads of people out still. That looks a nice place, that does. Not been inside, we've been in and had breakfast. The breakfast is okay. Nothing special, but yeah. We got the entertainment downstairs. Got the Rosamar there. When they're doing their repairs, they did decide to do away with the Lego blocks and actually use proper stuff so it didn't fall down. You know what I mean? If you've seen the social media stuff in the last couple of years, we built all the back out and it collapsed. It's all safe now though. Back in business. The back of the Ambassador Explorer Club. The Ordinary Express there. Where you get your drinks, of course. Fantastic bar idea, I think. They have shows on in there. Give you a quick look what shows they have on. Sorry about the noise behind me. Was it 2 nights? Right, we're going down. Monday night. Tuesday. Wednesday, where are we there? Thursday. Friday. Queen on Friday. Saturday. And Sunday night. 7 nights a week, guys. Shows on in there. Queen on Sunday night as well. Wow. So yeah, enjoy yourself. Explorers Club. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.